I-welcome din po natin ang mga kinatawan ng
Mrs. Philippines International 2026. Miss Maan Cueto Aris, President, Founder of Mrs. Philippines International. Mr. Aris Concepcion, VP for Marketing and Creatives. And Mr. Rodel Fernando, Vice President of PMPC Star Awards Incorporated.
Wow! Mrs. Philippines. Wow!
Attorney, in behalf of the Mrs. Philippines International 2026, we proudly honor you, Attorney Presida V. Rueda Acosta, Chief of the Public Attorney's Office, as the Empowered Leader of the Year.
Whoa.
A true pillar of justice and unwavering public service. Her life works speaks of fearless leadership, tireless advocacy for the unprivileged, and the heart devoted to the Filipino people. Through decades of service, she has empowered countless lives and upheld the voice of those who need it most. So in behalf of the Mrs. Philippines International, we proudly present you this award as the Empowered Leader Award. Maraming salamat po for your continued support sa aming organization and for empowering a lot of people. Thank you so much po, Attorney.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa Mrs. Philippines International 2026 Award sa pamumuno ni Sir Aris at ni Ma'am. Mabuhay po kayo. Maraming salamat po, nakakataba po ng puso. Unang mga buwan pa lang ng taon, marami na tayong awards. Last year po, 87. Noong 2024, 86. Ngayon nakakailan na tayo?
10.
Nakakasampu na. Wow, maraming salamat po. Iniaalay ko po, unay sa Ama sa Langit, ikalawa sa Sambayan ng Pilipino, pangatlo sa milyong kliyente ng PAW, siyempre sa aking mga kasamang PAW lawyers and staff, at siyempre sa ating mga kababayan na kamasid at nagbabantay sa mga kaganapan sa ating bayan. Mabuhay po kayo, Sir Aris, Ma'am. Mabuhay po kayo. Rodel, ikaw siyempre, kasama kita sa hirap at ginawa. Ayan, ang inyo pong lingkod, Presida Acosta, na nanatiling tagapagtanggol ng masa.
Maraming salamat po, Mrs. Philippines International 2026. Muli, congratulations po, Chief!